Hello everyone, today I have Samsung dual washer. I verified that I have 5 volt and 12 volt on 10 pin connector. So when I disconnected connector I see there is detergent and in all pins most of them are rusted and parts were no longer available, so I decided to cut the connector wires from both male and female side and solder all the wires with each other. Also I put heat shrink on each wires and then I tape all the wires together. Here you see there is rust on the panel, and one side there is detergent coming out and other side there is rust because of fabric softener. They are overfilling or something or design flaw, but now after connecting all wires it's working fine. Thank you.